Good evening all, how you doing? Oh boy, I'm tired today. I won't go into it, but I'm mentally tired. Just want to show you this unit I bought. It's a music centre. Well, it's not a music centre, it's just a record player, stereo record player. And it's a unit free by Marconiphone. I think it's a 4405 according to the label at the back. But the reason why I bought this, two good reasons. One reason, my neighbour years and years ago when I was living in North London with my parents, now my neighbour had a unit exactly the same as this, but it was branded Ferguson. And I think it's really the same beast. And I can't even, the way I've got no room at the moment, I can't even lift this up because yeah, it's hitting the bloody side of the cupboard there. I've got no room at the moment, because I'm still working on these damn Revox behind me. I've got to fix that, fix the meters on it, replace the meters, and then put it away somewhere and then work on something else, because I've just got limited room in here. It's terrible. So I'm in my kitchen, hence the washing machine over there. Yeah. So one of the, well, how can I say, what was that? I've lost my train of thought. I'm so tired. First reason, as I said, because my neighbour had one, and it's the first time I've ever played Life on Mars. A stereo single on one of these, because all I had was a mono record player at that time. It was just a valve triple tone amp with a UA8 BSR, purely mono. So this is the first thing I ever played Life on Mars on, well, the Ferguson branded one. And secondly, it's got the same same deck as well. It's the Garrard SP25 Mark II, which is a beautiful deck. There's no head shell at the moment on it because I've taken it off, because the actual mounting bracket for the Garrard cartridge is broke, would you believe? And I've looked on a place called a Stylus Lady and they're out of stock at the moment. Just my luck, isn't it? So I don't know if anyone's got one. It's what's the cartridge? It's oh, I'll try to memorize it, and I can't look at it at the moment because it's on my phone and I'm filming. But it's for the Garrard cartridge. It's a what is it? Oh god, I can't remember. My memory's really going bad. But anyway, if you look at one of these, you can see it's got a Garrard ceramic cartridge flip over stylus. I think it's a is it a KS something? Oh, I'm not sure, can't remember. I was trying to memorize that so I can let you know, but I might put it in the comments afterwards. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll upload a video and put it in the comments what it is, what I'm looking for. But I don't even know if it works yet. I've got to plug in a couple of speakers and power it up, and then check, just plug the cartridge in temporarily and just touch the cartridge to see if there's any life in it, but I'm sure it's fine. So yeah, it's just a basic record player, stereo, on, off, bass, treble, disc, what's it, stereo, what's that, stereo mono switch, gram, tape and radio. The sockets are all at the back, which I can't get to at the moment. And also there's a balance control at the back, which is really unusual. No headphone socket as well, so I'll have to plug in a pair of speakers. But you know, I love this deck. It's beautiful. I love the colouring, the grey. See if I can open it a little bit. How far can I go? That's about it. There we go. Lovely, isn't it? Beautiful deck. Oops, get your hand out of the way, Harvey. Right, yeah. So yeah, I'll put in the comment section what I actually need. Oh, there's my hand. Look at my lovely clean fingernails. Look at that. I pride myself on my fingernails. Always very short. Well, I need them short to play my guitar. Otherwise, even if my nails are slightly long, I can't play the guitar. I get a load of buzzing noises, but look, it's fun as well. All the same. The other hand. Look at that. Look at that. Anyway, forget about my hands. Let's go back to the record player. So yeah, it's the beautiful SP25 Mark II, which I've always wanted. Always wanted it. Always wanted this lovely deck. I love that grey finish on it. It's beautiful. Let's have a look. Oh god, I've got to put it somewhere else, this thing. Look at that. Sort of like gunmetal sort of colour. Is it gunmetal? Oh, I don't know. But the deck is beautiful. I mean, look at this, look. Look at that. Silky smooth, no sticking, nothing. Look at that. Look at that, it's beautiful. So I doubt whether this deck needs servicing. I mean, everything's smooth. The play, I've tried to play, the lift, all the speeds work, you know. without plugging it in, of course. But I've got to redo the wood. I mean, there was a load of glue stuck on there, not glue, tape, which is good in a way, because the person who sold it to me didn't realise those two screws lift up to clamp the turntable to the actual deck, to the baseboard. So at least they stuck it down anyway, which is good. They took very great care in sending this to me, and it arrived intact. There's a bit of marking where I pulled the tape off. But I've got loads of polishes and wood finish stuff, you know, like we call it teak oil and all that sort of stuff. It's a bit rough there, but I'm going to polish it all up nicely. A little chip there, that's not too bad. I can colour that in, that's no problem. But a little one at the back there, yeah, it's not bad considering the age of it. I mean, look, this thing goes back to what, 1972, 71? Blimey, I mean, God. And I love this cover, I've always liked this. And this brings back a lot of memories of my neighbour. God, we used to have parties using one of these, and it was bloody loud, I'll tell you what. They used it for birthday parties, Christmas parties, it was brilliant. The only thing that's different is the Ferguson thing. This is Unit 3 Marconiphone, but it's the same beast. And I'm sure the electronics are the same as well. So yeah, it's a Unit 3 Marconiphone 4405. So I've been trying to find a service manual, but I can't seem to find it. I might find one under the Ferguson brand. I can't even talk, I'm so tired. I'm mentally exhausted today. I've been writing emails and etc. I won't explain why, but to the council about certain things. Let me show you this. Look at this. I've got a collection of old PP9 batteries, because I kept buying these gram decks, all right? And inside the preamps, what do you get inside? Yes, you get PP9s. And what do people forget to do? Yes, they forget to remove the batteries. Look at that. Look at that. My collection of old PP9s. Bit tarnished there. One of them still read 2.5 volts, believe it or not. Would you believe it? What's that in the way? That's my wheatgrass. I'll get out of the way. Yeah, look, still got the plastic around it. And that one. Original PP9s from the 60s or 70s. That's an old one there. That one's an old one, isn't it? Oh, that's a modern one now. Oh, that's it. Drop it on the turntable now, Harvey. That's a modern one. Now, I'll probably drop it on the deck now. On the bloody perspex. Be careful. Move that battery out of the way. Right, so look at that. Nice whole collection of batteries. I was thinking of having them restuffed. I don't know. What do you reckon I should do with these? Any suggestions, folks? Paperweights. Look at that. That's a really old one there. The blue one. What do you reckon? Oh well, there we are. 2 videos for the price of 1. There we go. Oh, I'm going to get these Reeboks done behind me. Pain in the bum. Taking a lot of space. I've only got one table to work on at a time. It's terrible. Oh, why can't I win the lottery? God, so I can buy a big house with a big workshop. It'd be fantastic. Yeah, so anyway, that's my latest acquisition. I got it relatively cheap. The only thing, that clip is broke. And I think they're about £8.50 if they ever come back in stock. Stylus lady. Oh God, I should have bought the cartridge in there just to show you. No, don't worry, I'll just add it on to the end. Like the description of the cartridge. You can see I'm really tired. I'm dead tired. I'm going to fall asleep on the sofa then, probably about 2 o'clock in the morning now. I can see it. Oh God, so there we go. Yeah, I love that turntable. I think I bought it mainly for the turntable, and obviously for this lovely unit that my neighbour used to have, branded Ferguson, of course. But it's the same beast, exactly. Even the cover's the same, the case is the same. The only thing is front panel is different. But it is a Ferguson. If anyone knows any different, please let me know. But I'm sure it's the same beast. So there we go. Yeah, can't wait to plug it in and try it, actually. Play some records on it. Guess what I'm going to play first on it? First record. Have a guess. Yep. Life on Mars. You got it. Right, I'm going to have a drink now and then go to sleep for a bit because I'm dead tired. Literally. Anyway, folks, hope you enjoy this brief tour of my Unit 3 Marconiphone. But it's really a Ferguson. I don't know. There's probably another company, actually, that made these units for Ferguson and other companies. I'm not sure. I think Andy mentioned something about a certain company who made these, but I can't remember what he said now. Never mind. Yeah, I think what I'll do first, clean down all the woodwork, give it a good cleaning with, I don't know, what do you suggest? A bit of fairy liquid, just, I don't know, what do you reckon? Or a bit of soap and water just to clear the grime off before I stain it. Ow, I got caught there, what's that? A bit of wood there. It's like splintery bit of wood. That's all right. Yeah, so there, where is it? Somewhere there, can't remember. Somewhere there. Can't remember. What am I talking about? Can't remember. Feeling something, for Christ's sake. Oh, there it is. And in fact, I mistook the place where it was. Oh, it's down there somewhere. It's a bit rough. There we go. But yeah, not bad unit. In fact, the postage nearly came to the cost of the unit. I think the postage was 15, and this whole unit cost me 20 quid. But it was sort of next day delivery, which is good really, because the way I look at it, the longer it's out there, the worse it can happen. You know, the worse things that can happen to it. The longer it's out there in the postal system. So since it was only out there 24 hours, well, it's not too bad. So you know what, you've got to pay these postage costs sometimes, but yeah, you know, what can you do? And the packaging was superb, I must admit. They did take a lot of time and trouble packaging the thing. You know, as long as it arrives at the destination untarnished, that's all that matters really, isn't it? Right, better go. It's 11 minutes 46 seconds now in this video. Right, I'm going to sleep. Bye for now all.